Boat 11 for the 2017 Micro Transat Team Joker Atlantic attempt. 24/7 after 10 days. Still working okay.
GPS time 9:23, 40 seconds. Target 24/7 ground position, 134 meters, and 183 degrees. GPS.
Yes, we're in Snoopy Corner, and the Windmill boat is going to have an attempt at rescuing, not rescue's the right word, retrieving Boat 11 that's been on 24/7 test for 10 days now.
Let's go. Don't want you for the weekend. Don't want you for a night.
Yeah, that character has sailed. We picked him up in Rome. So it's probably where the air base. This looks like Dick arriving, my co-conspirator. Dick apparently brought some stuff with him. Let's just have a look.
As I'm not sure whether Robin can get out to the boat, I've got my inflatable boat, of course, I've got for rescuing purposes, but I'll let Robin try it out.
Oh.
There we are then.
Oh,
and,
great! Yeah.
And here's the paddles to
Oh, brilliant! Oh, let me give that a try. Hang on, I'll pass you the camera. Let's just see whether it will work.
Yes, now let's see. Let's see how Robin gets on with this. Do you think that would work?
I think I'll rely on the binoculars now.
All right then. Okay. Oh, the poor gent can't get up.
Oh dear. Yeah, I can't rely on the optical tracking technology too much, so I probably need to be using these at some stage. Yeah, well there's Joy and her dog Lollipop that we've been chatting to. Wouldn't believe the coincidences. Okay, Lollipop, fetch! Brilliant! Ah!
She had to bite the arm when it started.
Yeah, he's got to bite his head off now. I'll tell you what, we could train him to swim out and get the boat. This is the Windmill boat, and hopefully the camera's working. And I'll set the other camera going so I can see what's happening. Switch it on. It's got a very sophisticated autopilot here. It's amazing, it still managed to power itself forward even when the windmill's not going round. Ah, right, I can see him through the binoculars now. Yeah. Bit of a struggle.
I think it's sailing away from me at the moment, Robin.
Yeah, I know. I was wondering whether he sails faster than the boat can, the windmill boat can motor. I mean, they're both using wind power, aren't they?
Yeah.
So
As long as that windmill keeps turning.
yeah, well, I think I've always said for years that a windmill boat will be more efficient. Right, we've had some good video from the drone helping guidance, so we're going to bring him back now. Right, the Windmill boat now on his way back after an attempted mission. I think we have to seriously consider a windmill boat for the Atlantic next year, you know, Dick?
Yeah. Oh, we should get more than 2 mile an hour winds there, so...
Yeah, I reckon so.
Now, did you say the windmill's driving the propeller directly, or...
No, there's a gearbox. You tend to hear a gearbox whine from it.
Oh, right, yeah.
Yeah. Hang on, it's autopilot, it's not too brilliant. It's a certain amount of over correction. Oh, that's pretty good. Now, it has to use pattern recognition to miss the rocks. So this is a good place just there. Oh, a bit about the weed. Oh, it's not too bad, is it, Dick? Right.
Wow.
Yeah, okay. Oh, I'm going to have to show a glimpse of it. Throttle was still on. That's only giving instructions to the computer on board, of course. Right, Dick's adjusted the grab to be a bit higher, and we're going to hope the batteries will last and it will go out again. So there it's going again on another attempt. Just going for a second attempt at a rendezvous. Windmill boat is on his way back, as is Dick's drone. So we have to find some other means of getting the boat 11 back off 24/7. Drone did quite well. Could see exactly what was happening on Dick's screen. Not sure what mischief Dick's up to. I think he's got some other bits and pieces in his car. But the Windmill boat is coming back. Looks as though its batteries lasted long enough. And here's the Windmill boat coming in again. Yeah, brilliant. It's funny, you still hear that whiny noise from the gearbox, even when the Windmill rocks go around. Well, some lessons learned. One, Dick mentioned that instead of the towing point being here, if it was nearer the centre of the boat, that means it wouldn't affect the steering. The other thing is we can probably double the voltage of the battery, which gives even more motor power. And yes, the radio controlled transmitter is the one that we used years ago for boat 4, where instead of a throttle that was controlling the vane for steering. Yes, well, if you heard a little pump going earlier, it's Dick getting his boat ready. And we were thinking of putting a computer and autopilot on it, but I think he's going to resort to paddles. And you never know, he might have more luck retrieving our boat. Need a push out. Right. I'll get to my vantage point. Watch you go out. Dick going out to retrieve boat 11, who's been on 24/7 for 10 days now. Now Dick has got some high technology equipment with him. It's a ball of string, so it may make it easier to tow it back. So this is Dick's target just here, where we normally launch the boat on 24/7. And I expect the boat is frantically steering and saying, "No, I don't want to go away back off 24/7. I should be going to my north waypoint." Yeah, I guess he'd be fighting against being brought back. Yeah, anywhere around here would be good.
And I think the little boat would manage it, quite frankly.
Right, too much hard work.
Well, it takes me a lot of effort.
Yeah.
Because it keeps trying to turn away from you. Snoopy's being brought ashore.
Right. So now we get a chance to check out if everything's still working. I'll switch off the GPS logger. I'll see that's still been going. So we've got 10 days of movement on the lake. So
That's good.
switch that off. And presumably his autopilot is still going with the rudder still twitching, I suppose. Yeah, there it is.
Yeah.
Right. So, right, we can stop it now and yeah, that'll do. Surprises. Hopefully not. Shouldn't have got any water in. Right, if we look down in this corner while I roll it over in that direction. Right, if there's any water in there, it'd be going into that corner.
No.
No? All nice and dry?
Nothing at all. Nothing
Lovely.
at all. Yeah.
Okay. Brilliant. I suppose I better put the lid on. Wouldn't do the Atlantic very well without it. Right, all ready to go home. Makes a change.